You're welcome to another video. We are given a typical index equation given that 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x is equals to 80. And we are asked to find the value of x. I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution. We're going to find the value of x and if possible verify it. So let us dive into the solution. If you look at this is 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x. I'm going to treat it as similar term is equals to 80. Like this. So that when you have 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x is equals to 80. And when you add 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x, of course you get 2 into 4 raised to x, since they are 2, is equals to 80. Then the next step, I'm going to divide all through by 2 by 2 by 2, so that I have the value of the left hand side as 4 raised to x. This is what remains on my left hand side, should be is equals to, if you divide this, you get 40. So well, when I have 4 raised to x and x is an unknown power, then the best approach that I'm going to take is I'm going to introduce the logarithms or the natural logs on both sides of this equation, so that I have the log of 4 raised to x is equals to the log of 40. I've just introduced the natural log on both sides of this equation. The next step, using the laws of indices or the laws of logarithm, if I have the log of a raised to b, then this is going to be written as b to the log of a. So I'm going to write this in that form, so that I have x to the log of 4 is equals to the log of 40. So guys, if you're watching for the first time, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, comment, turn your notification on, and leave a reply. So next step, I'm going to divide all through by the log of 4, so that I have x now as independent value is equals to the log of 40 divided by the log of 4. This point, it looks nice, but simplifying it, I know 40 can be written as 4 times 10. So replacing this here, then the value of x now becomes the log of 4 times the log times 10, like that. Everything over the log of 4. So guys, you need to recall again that wherever you have the log of a multiplied by b, this can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So that is what's going to guide me there. Now x becomes log of 4 plus the log of 10. Since the denominator is similar, I'm going to rewrite under same common denominator like that. Of course, when I express this, I'm going to get x is equals to 1 plus the log of 10 divided by the log of 4. So guys, wherever you have the log of 10 divided by the log of 4, then that means this can be simplified as 10. I know 10 can be written as 2 times 5, and 4 can also be written as 2 squared. So that now my equation now changes to x is equals to 1 plus the log of 2 times 5 divided by the log of 2 squared, which can be written as 1 plus the log of 2 plus the log of 5, everything divided by, of course, these two gonna come here as 2 to the log of 2, 2 to the log of 2. So able to see it clearly. X now becomes, simplifying it, of course the log and the log gonna go, so that I have 1 plus, when I simplify this, I'm gonna get a half, plus the log of 5 divided by the log of 2, 2 to the log of 2. There was 2 here. Can also recall that wherever you have the log of A over the log of B, this can be written as the log of A to the base of B. I'm going to use this relationship here so that I have X now becomes, of course, 1 plus a half. I'm going to write it as 3 over 2 plus a half to the log of 5 base 2. These two are going to come here as the base using this relationship, taking us to our final solution for the value of X, which was required for our equation. So if you're still watching this, we're gonna go ahead and try verifying it. If indeed, given that 4 raised to X plus 4 raised to X is equals to 80, but wherever we have X, I'm gonna replace 3 over 2, 3 over 2, and this gonna be written as 4. So that becomes 4 raised to 3 over 2 plus a half to the log of 5 base 2 plus 4 raised to 3 over 2 plus a half to the log of 5 base 2. That's gonna give me 80. So when I add the powers, then it means I can separate the bases by multiplying. 4 raised to 3 over 2 multiply by 4 raised to a half to the log of 5 base 2 plus 4 raised to 3 over 2 multiply by 4 power a half to the log of 5 base 2 should give me 80. So guys, wherever I have 4, I'm going to write it as 2 power 2. So that I have 2 power 2 multiply by 3 over 2. Since it is outside, I'm going to multiply it. 2 power 2 multiply by a half to the log of 5 base 2 multiply by 2 raised to 2 multiply by 3 over 2 outside times 2 power 2 to the power of a half to the log of 5 over 2 is equals to 80. So now at this stage, it is now simple. I can decide to cancel the 2 and 2 so that I remain with 2 power 3 times this 2 and 2 gonna go, so that I have 2 to the log of 5 base 2. The same to this 2 power 3 times 2 to the log of 5 base 2 is equals to 8. So guys, you can recall again that wherever you have a to the power of log b base a, since the bases are the same, this automatically becomes b. Rewriting this and applying it here and here, my equation now gonna change to 2 power 3 times this and this gonna cancel, and then you remain with 5. Same to this 2 power 3 times 5 is equals to 80. Of course, 2 power 3 is 8 times 5, and here 2 power 3 is also 8 times 5. And indeed, it's clearly and visible that 8 times 5 is 40 plus 40 is equals to 80. And it goes without saying that on my left hand side matches with my right hand side, and of course the actual value for the value of x in this particular equation was 3/2 plus a half log 5/2. Until we meet again in the next video, kindly remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and turn your notification on. Goodbye for now.